In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Google Finance portfolio, a process that with a few simple steps can be easily accomplished within 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Google Finance or an experienced user looking to tweak your portfolio, this guide will walk you through the process in a straightforward and understandable manner. Let's begin by heading over to Google Finance. You can easily do this by typing www.google.com/finance into your web browser's address bar. Google Finance is a fantastic tool for tracking your investments, staying up to date on financial news, and analyzing markets all in one place. Once the page loads, you'll find it's packed with real-time market data, news, and customizable portfolio options. The next step is to sign into your Google account to access and edit your personal finance portfolio. You'll see a sign-in button typically located in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to choose which Google account you'd like to use for Google Finance. If you're like many users with multiple Google accounts for personal use, work, or other purposes, make sure to select the account under which your Google Finance portfolio is saved. This ensures that all your financial tracking remains consistent and under one roof, so to speak. After selecting your Google account, you'll be asked to enter your password. It's crucial for security reasons to make sure you're entering your password on a secure and private connection. If you've enabled two-factor authentication for your Google account, you may be prompted to complete an additional verification step. This extra layer of security helps safeguard your financial information against unauthorized access, which is incredibly important in today's digital age. Once you've entered your password, click Next. This will complete the sign-in process, and you'll be brought back to Google Finance, but this time with access to your personal dashboard and portfolio. Here you can track your favorite stocks, view portfolio performance, and read up on the latest financial news tailored to your interests and investments. Now, navigating to your portfolio is simple. You can usually find a direct link to your portfolio on the Google Finance dashboard. Look for a section labeled Your Portfolio or something similar. This area is your command center for everything related to your personal financial investments through Google Finance. It's where you can get a quick overview of how your stocks are performing, make decisions based on market trends, or simply admire the growth of your investments over time. To edit your portfolio, find and click on the three dots or an edit option, which is often situated near your portfolio's name or within its detailed view. This action will unveil a range of options allowing you to add new stocks, remove existing ones, or change how your investments are displayed. This feature is particularly useful for keeping your portfolio up to date with your current financial goals and interests. As your investment strategies evolve over time, so too will your Google Finance portfolio, reflecting new market explorations or shifts in investment focus. While editing your portfolio, it's worth taking a moment to explore the various tools and features Google Finance offers for personalizing your investment tracking experience. You can set up watch lists, create alerts for stock price movements, and even dive into detailed analyses for individual stocks or overall market trends. These tools are designed to give you a comprehensive overview of your investments and the markets, empowering you to make informed decisions about your financial future. Remember, keeping your portfolio up to date is key to accurately tracking your investments and making well-informed financial decisions. Whether you're adding new stocks, following a promising tip, pruning underperformers, or simply adjusting your portfolio to better align with your current financial objectives, Google Finance offers a user-friendly platform to manage it all with ease. And that's it. You're now equipped to edit your Google Finance portfolio confidently. With regular updates and a bit of financial insight, you're well on your way to building and maintaining a portfolio that reflects your investment goals and strategies. Whether you aim for short-term gains or long-term wealth accumulation, staying engaged with your investments is crucial, and Google Finance is a robust tool to help you stay on track. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Don't hesitate to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher on managing your Google Finance portfolio. Happy investing, and see you in the next video.